Ever wondered how to pocket a cool $100 every day with AdSense? Well, today we're going to unravel this mystery. Buckle up, because it's time to dive deep into the world of AdSense and digital marketing. First off, what is AdSense? It's a program run by Google that allows publishers to serve automatic text, image, video, or interactive media advertisements. These ads are administered, sorted, and maintained by Google, and they can generate revenue on either a per-click or per-impression basis. Now to the crux of the matter, how to earn $100 per day with AdSense. It might seem like a daunting task, but with the right strategy and a little patience, it's entirely achievable. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Create high-quality content. This is the foundation of any successful AdSense strategy. High-quality content attracts more visitors, keeps them on your page longer, and increases the likelihood of them clicking on your ads. Step 2. Master SEO. Search engine optimization is a crucial part of driving traffic to your site. Use keywords effectively, create engaging meta descriptions, and make sure your site is easy to navigate. Step 3. Build a strong audience. This isn't something that happens overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistent output of quality content. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and make sure to promote your content on social media platforms. Step 4. Optimize your ad placements. This is where you can really start to see some revenue growth. Experiment with different ad types, sizes, and placements to see what works best for your site. Step 5. Monitor and adjust. Use Google Analytics to track your performance, identify trends, and make necessary adjustments. This is a continuous process, and staying on top of it is key to maximizing your AdSense earnings. Now, let's quickly recap the key points we've discussed. Start with creating high-quality content that draws in and retains visitors. Next, master SEO to ensure your site gets the visibility it needs. Build a strong, engaged audience and promote your content effectively. Optimize your ad placements and experiment with what works best. Lastly, regularly monitor your performance and adjust as necessary. The journey to earning $100 per day with AdSense may require some time and effort, but with patience, persistence, and the right strategy, it's a goal that's well within your reach. Remember, the key to success with AdSense lies in continuously learning, adapting, and implementing new strategies. So, are you ready to embark on your AdSense journey? The road to digital marketing success awaits.